So, hello friends. How is everyone? I hope everyone is doing very well. So, today's content of our video is how to save multiple locations on Google Maps. I mean, how can you save many locations together on Google Maps? So, without delay, let's start the video. Those who have the updated Google Maps won't have any problems, and those who don't, update your Google Maps. Let's open Google Maps. After opening it, we zoom in on the place we want to save. After zooming in, hold here. After pressing hold, see a pin has been dropped here for us. We will save this pin drop. There will be an option called save. We will save it. After saving, there will be an option called new list at the top. You need to click on that. After doing that, give it a name here. We will give it as travel. By saying travel, we will create it. After creating, this place is saved for us. Okay. After doing that, we will press here again. Here we can drop in again, go into this and click save again. After clicking save, we will save it in that travel again. Alright, after doing that, we will click done. So in this way, we can save the locations one after another in the same file. So friends, did you like our videos? Please like, subscribe and share the channel.